To work in the back ridge of a chain, you first have to kind of locate it. The chain looks like a V here, and if you turn it toward the back, you can see these bumps here, and that's where I'm going to work some more single crochets. I've already done a few. It makes a nice finished edge to a project. A lot of times the projects will start you out by saying, work in the back ridge of your beginning chain. It leaves 2 loops at the bottom, and your stitches will have 2 loops at the top. So you can see how it mimics each other. Here's the 2 loops of the chain that are not worked into, and here's the 2 loops on top of your stitches. So the back ridge of a chain are these bumps in the back, and you just work into those.